Dear friends, dear partners, dear catalysts, welcome to the Climate Leaders Assembly 2024.
This is really an opportunity for all of us to find new ways of connecting so that we can together build something to this issue of climate action.
I can get very excited about the progress that we've made. And it feels like we've laid the foundations at the leading edge of climate-related investment and thought leadership.
Very often we look at perspectives from global action as well as local, whether that's in a boardroom or in the investments that we make or in communities we seek to have an impact.
Innovation is one thing, whether it's in blended finance or carbon credits or in tech solutions. Our real challenge is scaling solutions to much broader application.
To get private investors into action across the world, we need trust and integrity, and we need clear pathways. And so one of the really interesting opportunities in the Asian region is the ability to design complex systems in messy environments.
But in a complex and uncertain environment, oftentimes you've got to flip this around. You act first, then you observe what happens with your actions, you orient yourself, and you make the next decision and you play the game again. So in many of these cases where we are actually dealing with new solutions, it is oftentimes important for us to carefully embrace risk and be brave enough to take some actions.
When you bring everybody together, you can actually start to have debate that sets the bar really high, and then everyone buys into that standard.
I think we can do this, but only if we're realistic about the challenge at hand. It could be the proof of concept that allows us to generalize this.
Thank you for the partners, the National Climate Change Secretariat of Singapore, Bain & Company and Gen Zero, and Google and Temasek for being a catalyst sponsor for today. And now, the new chapter of climate action can open. Thank you very much.